This video is sponsored by Serverless 360. More about them at the end.
Hi everyone, Kevin here. Today, I want to show you how you can find your Wi-Fi password on a Windows computer.
So Kevin just put out a very cool video, and this is a great tip if you ever lose or forget your Wi-Fi password and you don't just want to reset it. But there is one problem. Now people that you may not want to have your Wi-Fi password will know how to find it. Today, I'll show you how to hide your Wi-Fi password on your Windows computer, and then we'll talk about some other ways to keep your Wi-Fi safe as well as your passwords. Now you can find your Wi-Fi password by clicking the Start button and typing Control Panel, then selecting the best match. Under the Network and Internet, click the View Network Status and Tasks link. On the left, select Change Adapter Settings, then right-click on your Wi-Fi connection and select Status. Now click the Wireless Properties button, and at the top, select the Security tab. Now check the Show Characters box, and then you'll see the password for the Wi-Fi you're currently connected to. Now, if you want to see the Wi-Fi passwords from all of the networks you've connected to, you'll need to look under the video in that description section, and I have a list of resources there. Just copy the command that looks like this and paste that into your command prompt, and that's what Kevin showed in his video. So what we want to do is hide these passwords from anyone's ability to discover them. To do that, we click on the Start button and type regedit and select the best match for the registry editor. In the resource section again, under the video, I have a specific key that you're going to need to access. So paste that into the address bar of the registry, then press enter and your screen should look like this. Now this key controls the ability to show or hide your Wi-Fi passwords. And whenever you work in the Windows registry, you should always create a system restore point or export the keys that you're going to modify. That way, if something goes wrong, you can just re-import the original key and get things working again. So right-click on the key and select Export. And I'll save this file to my desktop and just call it Show Wi-Fi Password. Now we can safely edit the registry and right-click on that key again. This time, select Delete. Now, even if you are a local administrator, many of you will see this error that you don't have permissions to delete this key. To fix that, right-click on the key and select Permissions. Click the Advanced button at the bottom, and at the top, the owner is probably the trusted installer. This is a special service account in Windows, and as the Windows administrator, you can click the Change Owner link, then type in your username and click OK. Check the box at the top to replace owner on subcontainers and objects, and then click Apply. Now select the administrators group in the middle, and then click the Edit button, and check the box for full control, and then click OK. Click OK on the Advanced window, and click OK on the Permissions window. Right-click one final time on that registry key, and now you can select Delete. And when we look back at our wireless properties in the Security tab and you try to click to show the password stays hidden. And the command prompt using that netsh command that Kevin shared with us, that does not return a value either. So now your Wi-Fi passwords are safe and secure. But what if you need to see that password again? Well, to do that, you just need to restore the registry key that we deleted earlier. Double-click on the Show Wi-Fi Password file that's on your desktop, and you'll probably see a security prompt. Just click Yes to continue. Then you'll have a warning message that you are importing data into the registry, so click Yes to continue. And your registry key has been added back into the Windows registry, so click OK. And now, when you look at that Show Characters checkbox, you'll see your passwords again. So now that you know how to secure your Wi-Fi password from prying eyes, you should move that registry file from your desktop to a safe place so that only you can restore this setting. And you'll probably want to rename the file to something less obvious. So let's talk about a few other ways to protect your Wi-Fi. And this first one is real simple. Lock your computer. If you were leaving your home, you wouldn't leave the front door wide open, would you? Well, when you step away from your computer, you should lock it as well. To do this, you can just click the Start button and then click on your profile picture and select Lock. Or you could do this through a keyboard shortcut, holding down the Windows key and pressing the letter L. Another way to protect your Wi-Fi is to use an access control list. So even if someone does crack your password, they can't get access to your network until you allow it. Now, as for your passwords, they should all be long, complex, and changed frequently. And you should never share passwords between services, which means that your Gmail account and your Facebook account should use different passwords. The cloud can be a complex place, but Serverless 360 is trusted by many of the world's leading organizations to remove application blind spots and resolve your problems rapidly. You can instantly visualize and monitor and fix any issues in your cloud apps, and then achieve end-to-end tracking of your business process flows, and Serverless 360 will save you time by auto-generating your documentation, turning your Azure subscription data into actionable insights for usage, security, and cost. Try Serverless 360 free for 15 days, or you can book a demo using the links in the resource section under the video. And for many of you, that will mean that you will have dozens up to hundreds of passwords. So you can either go crazy trying to remember all those things, or you can click over here to learn how you can stop using passwords completely and be even more secure. Or you can click over here and check out Kevin's channel. Happy learning.